In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Figma Fast 2025 guide. If you've ever felt like you're wasting time wrestling with your canvas, this quick walkthrough will make zooming smooth and predictable. We're keeping it simple, reliable, and consistent across both the desktop app and the browser version of Figma. Start by opening the specific project or file you want to work on in Figma. Make sure you're inside the design file, not on the home dashboard. Once your canvas is visible, look to the very top left corner of the screen. Click the main Figma menu there. This is the menu that opens up everything from file options to preferences. With the menu open, hover your cursor over the View option. Don't click yet, just hover to reveal the View submenu. This submenu controls how you see your canvas, including zoom, rulers, and outlines. For our purposes, we're focusing only on zoom. Now glance toward the bottom of that View submenu. You'll see zoom in and zoom out listed clearly. Click zoom in to move closer to your design, or click zoom out to step back and see more of your layout. Each click nudges the zoom level in small controlled increments so you can dial in exactly how close or far you want to be. If you need more adjustment, simply click again. You'll usually notice the zoom percentage update in the interface, confirming the change as you go. A helpful tip here, keep your cursor in the View submenu while you fine-tune. Because you're hovering, the submenu stays open, which makes consecutive clicks faster. That way you don't have to reopen the menu each time you want another small adjustment. If the canvas seems to change very little, it's often because you're already zoomed quite far in or out, or your design is centered away from the active area. Don't worry, your view is still updating. This zoom method is non-destructive, meaning it only affects how you see the file, not the file itself. Nothing about your layers, frames, or components will change from zooming. To recap the flow you'll use again and again. Open your Figma project, click the top left menu, hover over View, and choose Zoom In or Zoom Out at the bottom. It's straightforward, it's consistent, and it works the same way whether you're reviewing a single icon or a massive multi-page prototype. Practice this a couple of times and you'll notice your navigation becomes more deliberate and less distracting, so you can focus on designing instead of fighting the interface.